We celebrate Lay's 18th birthday in Hong Kong with her best friend Ate. We went there last June 14 on her birthday, and then nag-check-in kami sa Intercon. This is our room. So spacious yan. Dalawa lang kami per room. And then outside the hotel, ito yung makikita. May mga kainan sa paligid. Then their roads are without flags. Naghahanap kami nito ng makakainan for breakfast. Our itinerary for today is going to the mall, to go to the Pop Mart and buy their collections. The train station or the MTR is only about 15 minutes walk from our hotel. So hindi naman kami nahirapan mag-commute, and we have the Octopus card naman for familiarization na rin ng lugar para kung saan kami gustong pumunta or may bibilhin kami, alam namin kung saan pumunta. We will stay here for 6 days. So this is the MTR. Yan, pababa yan. And then dumiretso lang kami kasi may pumuntahan pa kami iba. At saka mas malapit. So, we're gonna walk lang. This is the mall kung saan na merong Pop Mart. So, yan, napapicture muna sila. Medyo, I think, close pa sila nung dumating kami. Meron ding store na puro ganyan, puro toys yung laman yan. Buong store niya, ang dami. That's our first day in Hong Kong. Thanks for watching.